Welcome back. We succeeded in adding the Firebase authentication to our application. Now let's move to the groups activity and start fetching and displaying all the groups, all the chatting groups available in the Firebase real-time database and display them to the user so the user can select one of these groups and display the messages and start chatting with the members of this group. Of course, I'll follow the MVVM architecture. So again, I'll create a Firebase logic, but this time we need to create model classes to fetch the Firebase real-time database data and records and the repository, then moving to the ViewModel and later on to the view. So in this video, I'll create the model classes for our chatting groups. For that, I'll create a new package here. I'll name it as model, and inside this model, I'll create a new Java class and I'll name it as chat group. This chat group is a model class that contains only one attribute, which is the group name. So I'll create string group name. I'll create the constructor and I'll create the getters and setters. This is very simple. This is our chat group. I need to fetch only the chat group name.